Chief Advisor to the interim government, Dr. Mohammad Yunus, has called for the successful implementation of the upcoming International Conference on Refugees. He said, "Let's make this conference a great success and resolve the problem. Hopefully, some important discussion will be made through it." The Chief Advisor made this call when UN High Commissioner for Refugees, Chief Filippo Grandi, met with the Chief Advisor at the Jamuna State Guest House on February 27. Dr. Yunus said, "There should be a way forward. We need to ensure that the future of the Rohingya is secured." UN High Commissioner for Refugees Filippo Grandi expressed his support for the international conference to be held this year under the auspices of the UN. Grandi, referring to the Rohingya crisis, said, "Let's bring this issue back to the world. The UN conference is a great way to bring the issue back to the table." Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.